So that you do not have to do without the functions-on-demand services that you are accustomed to, you will receive an automatic reminder via the Audi MMI a few days before the end of the respective usage period. You can view detailed information on your purchased options directly in the Purchases MMI menu. If you would like to extend a booked function or repurchase it after the usage period has expired, you can do this in the myAudi app. You can find an overview of your booked functions or of the respective remaining usage period in your account settings under Orders. Functions can be extended during a 10 or 20-day time period before the booking expires. If you would like to extend a booked function early, go to the Functions on Demand shop and click on the desired equipment. Specify the new booking period and then confirm your order. Agree to the general terms and conditions and complete your purchase using the Commit to Buy button. The function will now continue to be available in your Audi. If an extension for a function is not made via the myAudi app, the MMI system will inform you that the function will no longer be available once the usage period has expired. The function will automatically be uninstalled from your Audi and no further costs will be charged. However, you can book the function again at any time via the myAudi app if you need it. With Functions on Demand, you can configure your Audi flexibly to suit your own individual needs.